Hello YouTube land. Today we're working on the old Dodge today. And we're going to work on the bumper. This old thing has had a rough life, as you can tell here. Just to show you how bad this is, I can literally punch through with just tapping with a hammer. Jesus Christ. So, let's get here. Yeah. Ooh, look how bad that is. Whew. The bumper is not really that hard to remove. Let's get this one fucking thing off. Alright, fuck it. First, I bend that guy up. It's just really crusty. Pretty much this thing's being held in by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 bolts. A lot of them being right here. So this thing's, as I said before, very, very crusty. We're gonna try and break this shit up. This is probably gonna be a very, very long and tedious process because, again, rust is a bitch, and I'm gonna need some extra pressure. Ooh. Okay, that one wants to be my friend. And the bolt's not. Ooh, it's welded in place. Even better. Okay. Yeah, this thing is so shot that yeah, it's so shot. All this rust just falling off. Why is that fucking tow hitch is still in great shape? But yeah, it's shot. It's going away. This truck will not sell well with this bumper on it because appearance is everything. Appearance is always the main thing when you sell a truck. Next is the inspections. Okay, this thing's just being a bitch to me right now. You know what? I'm going to see if maybe my impact gun will make this easier for me. So that hole's big enough I can get in there. Actually, I don't think I have an 18 size. That's unfortunate. Let's see. Here's the tool. Unfortunately, I am missing my size 18. Usually it's a 10-inch that goes missing. My 18 has gone missing. That's not going to work regardless. Adapter. We'll get to you soon, Mustang. We'll get to you soon. So, if you guys can see right now, my Mustang is, not Mustang, a Crown Vic is sold. Went off for about almost $4 grand. Exactly what I wanted for it. Because I only paid it back grand for the truck. Put about $2 grand into it. I got $1,000 profit, so I am not mad. Although I am gonna fucking miss that old girl. But I am gonna buy that Crown Vic. I'm looking at a red one right now. Holy shit. I just can't believe how much rust this old bumper has. And how it was still holding up. Now, as I said before, although I'm pretty sure I've probably forgotten, this, look at there. Probably the release from my spare, probably. This was a plowed / salting truck. So she's had a rough life all her life. These bolts are just really on there. I ain't gonna miss. What's that one? Sorry. You know, the bashing of my head against that. Again. Now these 4 right here are gonna give me the most trouble. I'm positive of that one. I wonder. That. Hello. Stuff for me? Yeah. Nice. I can bring it over here. I'll take it. Yeah, UPS man.
Are you a mechanic?
Self-taught mechanic.
Huh?
Self-taught.
So you know fix everything?
Oh yeah, I learned a little bit of everything just from working on from YouTube. And I don't work on this girl right here, and this back step, which is pretty rotten out.
I just find the top foot now. Do you know how to do it?
Yeah, it's like I said, I'm self-taught. It's fun for me. I don't do import cars because I hate them, but
You don't like import cars.
yeah, I have a problem with that. Oh, more spam. These fake checks.
This is American car? Cool.
Yeah, this is a Dodge.
No?
Yep,
So what? You buy the old car and fix it and sell it? Or-
yep. I paid $500 for this truck. Yep,
What year?
97, 4x4.
So, whenever my car broke out, can I bring it to you and fix it?
Huh?
Whenever my car broke out, can I bring it to you and fix it?
Give me a note on the door, and I'll take care of you.
But you got a car cheaper than this.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay. Alright, see ya.
See you around, my friend.
Bye, man.
Low on battery. Huh, let's see what's in the mail today. Ooh, waiting for this. When is the installation disc? And in box number 2. I don't know where my damn knife went to. What did I buy? I don't know anymore. Oh, even better. I know what this is. This is the cup holder for this truck. Even better. I got 2 parts today. Means I only have one other thing that I need, which is a new door. Because I'll tell you that story once I'm putting this thing up all the way. Holy shit, buddy. Now there's wrapping, and then there's above and beyond wrapping. I mean, this isn't even bubble wrap. I mean, if it was bubble wrap, I'd still say there's a lot, but holy shit. Give me a break, son. Okay. I got enough through it. Yeah. This is truck's new cup holders. New old stock. Ooh, look how nice that is. Hell yeah. Let's see, slide that in. There we go. Okay, it's not new old stock, it's the old stock. I mean, used. Oh my god, the fucking ants. WD-40. Fuck off. Jesus. Ooh, that's on there good. Breaker bar. Jesus Christ, superstar. Holy shit, how long is this bolt? It's still going. Damn it, Dodge. So I haven't used this old set in a while. This is my set from the Middle East. Good to see it's still holding up. Christ! He's on the door. That's still tight. Hey, it's off. Is that welded in place, or is it just like rusted on? Oh, it's, never mind, it's got double on there. Son of a bitch. Oh, that's getting pleasant. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take the camera off for a while now. The battery's pretty low on this. But yeah. I didn't see the double locking bolt right there. So we'll be back. Update for you. I got a few stuck bolts which are broken inside. Can't get to them easily, so I am now going to split. Well, I just split this bumper in half, which was still pretty hard considering how much rust it had, but it's coming off. 1, 2, better not sue. Oh. Okay, it should come off. Oh. Okay, it's 2 bolts there. Oh, it's that one bolt in the back. Let's see. Rack. Oh. Yay. That's one chunk down. This new bumper is gonna be nice. For right now, I'm raging over this half destroyed bumper. Oh, hello, what the fuck? Huh. Well, that's not good. It's supposed to be a cover. I think it's supposed to be a cover on this. Probably routed out a long ass time ago. That's a lot of dirt. Well, alright then. Well, at least we're done the one bracket there and the fuck up shit right there. So we'll be back. Finally got that damn bumper off. After a lot of fighting, cursing, and a lot of daylight going away. We got this one I gotta tighten back up, but these bolts were just hoo-hoo, these bolts. So there's the remains of the old one. It's a lot worse for wear. Now I'm about to put the new one on. Alright guys, my GoPro unfortunately died, but here's the finished product. 44 guy. Ain't that sweet. No more crunching under my feet, so that's wonderful. Post a link to where I bought this thing. eBay guy. Take a look. This thing is sweet. Just look at how nice this is. There's no rust in this thing, except for my old bumper brackets there, but I don't care about those. They're still solid. But damn. That is a big, big, big difference. Thanks for watching. Alright, some after commentary. So here are a few photos of the work being done. Holy shit. Looking back on this, that's like a few weeks later. Now, this truck is now gone. I ended up trading it for that 95 Ford Mustang with a nice little 302. And I'm going to do a little show off of that car later on. But for right now, I just wanted to show off the last bit of work I have on this Dodge. Followed by the last videos I have of it as it was being sent to the owner who now owns it. So, enjoy the engine revving and a brief shot underneath.